Hi, Heather here, Lady Self-Care with Dr. Gary Lindner, physiologist and the Self-Care Doc. Dr. Lindner, we all know, and you've blogged about this extensively, that chronic diseases is a major problem here in the United States, right?
Right. Yeah. We lead the world in chronic disease and pharmaceutical consumption.
It's a sad statistic.
But I recently wrote about how this just isn't in the U.S. This is a global problem. The World Health Organization says chronic disease is responsible for 70% of deaths and disabilities worldwide. 1 out of 3, 33% of people, adults globally, have multiple chronic conditions, and it is advancing and pervasive across countries and all socioeconomic classes.
But it's preventable. A lot of them are
Well,
preventable.
World Health Organization and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say about 80% of these chronic issues are preventable. And when we're talking about chronic disease, we're talking about things such as heart disease, chronic respiratory problems, cancer, stroke, diabetes, which in many places is epidemic.
Right.
And the things that we talk about, Heather and I talk about in our Self-Care Awakening Be Healthy by Choice series, is that there are 4 causative factors for this. And again, these are global problems as well. And those factors are dehydration, not drinking enough water, poor sleep or insufficient sleep, sleep deficiency. The third would be weight issues, which is primarily fueled by excess sugar consumption. And the last would be environmental toxins. We all live in a toxic world, and that affects our health too. So the solutions, let's take them one at a time, all right? Because it'll be a very long video if we don't. So let's talk about dehydration. What's the solution? It's pretty simple. Drink more water. Molecularly, we're 99% water. If you look at the number of molecules in the body and how many of those are water. Dehydration is a global problem. 75% of the U.S. population is dehydrated, 80% of the UK, 75% of France, 80% in Australia, 50% in Germany. You look at the figures, and again, they're enlightening to say, we need to address this.
Right.
And many think that this epidemic of dehydration is the first step that we all need to take in addressing chronic issues. And I agree. So with it...
But now a lot of people are actually drinking more water. But what we're starting to see now is there's becoming a global problem with plastics and waste.
Well, many people choose bottled water. 75% drink bottled water, and 25% drink only bottled water. And the main reason is they think it's healthy or it's convenient. but and it may be convenient, but many times I say, don't we often trade convenience at the expense of our health? We do.
Right.
I mean, that's kind of our nature. But we have a solution in the Nikan Wellness Home, and it's our water pack and its products. We have the waterfall, the home unit. And people, will say that the most effective, cost-effective way of providing you and your family with good water is filtration of tap water. But Nikan takes it one step further. We filter, but then enhance the water to make it the way nature intended. We have water on the go with our Primag Sport bottle, and I'm sure yours is right next to you because it always is. and mine's down on the floor here because I don't have space on the table. But, we sip on that all day long and keep our bodies hydrated. We also have a shower system to remove chlorine and chlorine byproducts and the chloroform it produces out of our bathing water. Imagine sitting in a hot tub absorbing all that chlorine and all those toxins every time you bathe or shower. It's many people don't think of that, but it's again a way of increasing that pollution in our bodies just by we're cleaning, but we're actually increasing. So hydration's a great way to help detox as well, and so is the other components within the wellness home as well. So our solution there really is stay hydrated. Drink half your body weight in ounces per day of water, or 3.3% of your body weight in kilograms and liters per day, and choose healthy water. And as far as I'm concerned, Niken's created the healthiest water on the planet. I don't think you can get healthier water.
And you can get Niken water technology globally.
Yeah, and it's very cost effective. And we'll save, well, 1,500 plastic bottles end up in the landfill or ocean every second. That one bottle that you showed, that Pymax Sport bottle, could significantly reduce that. And the other thing I might say too is all the Niken products are made with biodegradable, non-leaching materials.
Exactly.
So be healthy by choice, stay hydrated.
Seek out somebody, whoever sent you this video, or whoever, seek out somebody that can get you one of these bottles. And we want to thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.